Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to knit the knot stitch pattern. For this pattern, you need to know how to knit, purl, and cast on. If you need help with any of that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches and techniques. So you want to cast on multiples of 2 plus 1. And for row 1, you are going to knit. Now for this pattern, there is going to be a repeat of rows 1 through 4 to get your desired size for your project. So after row 1, which is just knitting, we're going to come into row 2 and we are going to knit 2. Then you will do a repeat of purling 2 together. Do not take the stitches off the needle. Instead, after you have purled 2 together, you're going to move your yarn back and you're going to knit those same 2 stitches and then drop them off your needle. And you'll repeat that all the way to the last stitch, which will be a knit. So again, it's purl 2 together, leave those loops on, and then knit those same 2 stitches, and then drop those loops. So here we are with our last purl 2 together, and then knit that same 2 stitches, and you are going to knit the last stitch. So for row 3, you are just going to knit every single stitch all the way until the end of the row. Row 4 is going to be just kind of like row 3, to where you start off this time with knitting 1, and then you do the purl 2 together and then knit the same 2 stitches together. So again, it's purl 2 together and then knit those same 2 stitches. And you'll repeat this all the way to the last 2 stitches of the row, which the last 2 stitches will be knitted together. So again, it's purl 2 together, leave those 2 loops on there, and then knit. So here we are on our last 4 stitches. You are going to purl 2 together, leave those on, and then knit those 2 stitches, and knit the 2 last stitches. And there you go. That's how you do the knot stitch pattern. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, everyone.